It's Drapefit day, so if you want to see what Drapefit sent me and how it looks on, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me and Chloe's at camp. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking this out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Drapefit does send me this for a $1 styling fee, and then they also give me a $20 off of any purchase. So I am a Drapefit influencer. That being said, I'm always going to tell you my opinions about, what I've gotten, and they do have a styling fee if you decide to get a box, and that does not go towards your purchase. So that's just a heads up there. They do offer much lower priced items, and sometimes you do get some nice name brands. So there is that, but you do not get your styling fee back. And they do give you a pretty generous discount if you buy all 5 items. So it comes wrapped up. Usually you can't sneak peek, but this time it looks like you can do a little sneak peek in here. I'll take it out of there. You do get an envelope to send back anything you don't want. Now that is a UPS, not a USPS, as I continually try to bring it back to USPS and they continually say, no. And you get your price list and your note from your stylist. And my stylist is Paulette, I believe. Yep. Paulette, who has been my stylist since I started with them. This is my 11th box. And it's only my 11th box because a couple of times I tried to exchange things for size, and that kind of froze the account. So if something's not the right fit for you, I would just send it back because it just froze my entire account up. So she said she picked out a pair of denim mid-rise bootcut jeans. They can be paired with a yellow and white short sleeve button-up shirt. Alright, so she's got some different ideas in here. Here is your sneak peek. It looks like a pair of jeans and either a bunch of tops, or this might be a dress, so let's take a look. This doesn't have a tag with a name brand in it, but it is just a cute little black dress. I don't really like the ruffles there. It kind of accentuates the larger part of my body, but I'll try it on. By SPLA, we have this top that I'm not liking, just at the look of it. I don't like the feel of it, I don't like the material, I don't like the look of it, but I'll try it on for you guys. By Dakota this is a pretty top. It's a nice fabric. I'm kind of done with florals though. I'm kind of not in a floral mood, and I'm not really big on those sleeves, but I'll try it on. Now here's what I'm talking about. This is from Cut from the Cloth, and that's adorable. Picture that with a little cami underneath of it. I probably wouldn't have it buttoned. I'd probably have it unbuttoned with a little cami underneath of it. And then these are Royalty for Me premium denim, it says. Advanced stretch, extreme comfort, original vintage look with premium stitching. Now it is a boot cut. I don't see anywhere on here where it says it is a petite. Oh, I love the back pockets. Love that. But these are going to come down to way past me. But we're going to try this on. So I'm going to try the dress first, and then we'll try on the tops with these jeans. So I'll be right back. I am here with that first dress. I don't hate it as much on as I thought I would. I still don't know that it is the right fit for me, but it is somewhat cute. I could see myself wearing it, so not a bad match for my style. What I don't like, the fabric's kind of itchy. I'm not sure why that is. It must be whatever the blend is. That would bother me, so I will have to send it back because Chloe would not wear this fabric, would drive her nuts. This is the ruffle sleeves tunic dress, I'm guessing. Yep, in black. $30.99. Not a bad price, but again, the fabric is just itching me up. But I do otherwise really like it. So yeah, I mean, a cute idea. It's just the fabric isn't going to work for me. All right, let's try on those jeans and some of those tops. I am back with the jeans, which, by the way, I love. They're just too long. But if they weren't, these would definitely be staying with me. And the tunic, which I could see going with like some leggings or something like that. Which I don't really wear that often. But it's not as horrendous as when I looked at it. Do I see myself wearing it? No, probably not. This kind of gives me that Lily Pulitzer feel. And I don't want to age myself, so I'm going to stay away from something that might do that. I'm going to guess, based upon the color, that this is the V-neck 3/4 sleeve loose top, size 12, large, mint green, $29.99. The jeans are the mid-rise bootcut jeans, size 12, $29.99, and that's a great price for a pair of jeans. All right, on to the next top. And I am back with that blue top. It just has these big ruffly sleeves. I don't even know what to do with that. This is the floral printed V-neck tie top. There's a tie. I don't feel a tie. I don't see a tie. In blue, $32.99. So there is no tie that I'm coming across. And yeah, I'm kind of over florals, so I'm gonna pass on this. I'm not crazy about the sleeves there. The kid would love the sleeves. And I mean, I like the neck on there, but yeah, I'm just kind of over the floral thing right now because I was so overly saturated the past 2 years with florals that this is just not something I see myself pulling for. But let's try on that last top. And here is that cut from the cloth top. I just adore the colors in here. I mean, you really can't go wrong with cut from the cloth when it comes to their quality and their fits. So I think this is definitely the keeper. I wish the jeans were, but they are about this much too long. And getting denim hemmed is just, it's going to cost more than the jeans cost. So my mom does not hem denim. That's the one thing. She's like, nope, that's not happening. Otherwise, I love the rise. So again, I'm 5'2", so a mid-rise on me comes above the belly button. So my belly button's here, but it also elongates me versus a high-rise, which would come to about here and really cut me short, just based upon my height and the way my body is made up. So I love a mid-rise. These are super soft, super comfortable. I'm going to tell her, if you find these in petite, send those my way, because I do love them. And I can definitely see these styled with some sunglasses and just, you know, out on a nice day. Not today, today's fine, but on a nice day. So that's my Drapefit, and I think overall she did pretty good. I mean, even the things that I thought I was going to hate, like I did like that tunic top. I just don't see myself pulling for it. And the floral top, I liked the overall fit of it, and I liked the colors in it. I'm a little kind of pushing away from the florals. And these jeans are perfect. The dress was perfect, it was just itchy, so that would bother me, and I don't know if washing it would change that, so I don't want to risk that. But this top right here, oh yeah. The next nice warm day, the nice sunny day, this is definitely being worn. All right, well, tell me what you think about the stylist choices. I think overall, I mean, they do pretty well, and they keep you at a low budget. Oh, I didn't tell you how much this shirt is. 30 even. So the price for everything in this box was $153.96. If you purchase all 5, you get a 25% discount. That would bring it down to $115.47. Add the tax back in for my state, and that's $122.80. But I am not going to keep everything. And again, I would take $20 off of that as well, because that's how much I get off. But I'm definitely getting this top. I love this top. So I do have a code for you down below that is going to save you some money off of your first fit if you are curious and want to try it. So go ahead and give them a try. All right, well, thank you so much, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It's all free, and it helps my channel grow, so if you wouldn't mind, I'd appreciate it, and so would Bandit. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.